I'm gonna teach you how to play bass line for reggae the best way that I know how to play it. So before we get into the lesson, let's set our tone, okay? For reggae, you want a bassy tone without any mids, any treble, or any tone at all, okay? So if you have an active bass, you're going to put the bass all the way up, the bass EQ. You're gonna remove the mids, you're gonna remove the treble, okay? And you're gonna play up here on the neck so that you have a round tone, okay? When I'm playing reggae, I do not like to play too much. I like to leave open space, okay? Let the music breathe, okay? When the music is breathing, you can actually think, and you can actually be able to play even more, all right? When it comes to reggae for bass, less is actually more, okay? Because the song is breathing. The song is breathing, okay? So don't try to cut it off. Don't do this. You're taking all the space. It's not breathing, okay? So the way I want to show you it is a way that you can play it is so that there's a lot of space so that everybody can shine, okay? So there's the method. Instead of playing 4 phrases, so combine those phrases to make it 2 phrases only, okay? 2 phrases to make 1 bass line, okay? So let's do the simple 4 phrases first so we can understand it, and then we'll cut it down to 2, okay? Do, fa, so, fa, 1, 4, 5, 4. That's 4 phrases. Now let's add a note to combine these 2 phrases, and add another note to combine the other 2 phrases. Okay, let's go. Okay. You see that? We just add mi, do, mi, fa, rest, so, mi, fa, do, mi, fa, so, mi, fa, do, mi, fa, so, mi, fa. See? We've already combined 2 phrases each to make, to make the bass line, right? So now we're going to add more notes to add more color to it. Do, re, mi, fa, so, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa, so, re, mi, fa. Now we're gonna add octave, okay? Octave will make it come together more. Let's add octave. The biggest thing is you want to make sure that the strokes you play on each phrase match each other, okay? They have to match so that you can have uniform bass line, okay? You can play a different phrase. You can play a different number of strokes for one phrase, and there are different number of strokes for another phrase, okay? You have to make the strokes you play with your fingers to match so that it can be uniform. Do, mi, do, fa, so, do, fa, do, mi, do, fa, so so do fa. Now let's do something tricky, okay? Now I'm going to add more notes. However, I'm going to change the anchor. On this one, the anchor was do, re, fa, so, fa. This one I'm going to change the anchor to the 4. Since the 4 comes twice, it's only smart to use the 4 as the anchor, okay? So it was something like this. Do fa 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 la la so so. Do fa 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 la la do do. Do fa 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 la la so so. Do fa 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 la la do do. You see? 2 phrases making 1 bass line, always. Now we have 2 phrases, right? Now we're gonna make it into just 1 complete bass line, okay? We left from 4 to 2, now we're gonna go to 1. Let's go. Do fa 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 la la so so. Ti so. Do fa 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 la la do do. Do fa 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 la la so so. Ti so. Do fa 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 la la do do.